I'm not supposed to talk about body hair because I'm cute, and that's gross. But it's not, and that's dumb. So listen up. Either you got it and you love it, groovy, or you got it and you want it gone, so you can bikini with confidence, rock that skirt in style, and high five with pride. But hair removal is either too messy, too toxic, or just not cutting it. You deserve a sweeter way to get rid of unwanted fuzz. Meet Sugar Me Smooth. Natural, affordable, at-home hair removal that keeps you smooth for up to 8 weeks. That's 2 times longer than waxing and 20 times longer than shaving. This miracle sugary gold has been around for thousands of years.
Cleopatra!
But you've been bamboozled into buying more razors.
Sexy confidence with every stroke.
Or products that smell like burnt skin because they burn your skin. And waxing salons sell you pain at a premium while invading your private life.
You got a hot date coming up?
What a ripoff. Sugar Me Smooth saves you time, money, and embarrassment. Just click the link to make the switch and pour some sugar on you. Now, I'm not gonna sugarcoat this. Sugaring can hurt. But unlike wax that rips off your skin, sugaring gets to the root of the problem by only attaching to your hair.
Well, that's manageable.
Making it less painful and more effective. Sugar Me Smooth is for anyone, anywhere. From forearm forest to peach fuzz to pits.
Even
Anywhere. And voila, go from insecure to insurgant. That's French for in sugar. Sugar is water soluble and easy to clean up. Unlike hot wax, our sugars are room temp and spread easily with the flicker. All you do is apply, remove, repeat. The only ingredients are sugar, lemon, and water.
it's vegan, eco-friendly, and cruelty-free.
That's right. Nobody's sugaring you, little buddy. Boop. So go to sugarmesmooth.com today, see what over 50,000 happy sugarers are raving about. And introduce your skin to soft, smooth confection perfection with Sugar Me Smooth.